I have bhaji springing up all over my yard. And if I don't pick it in time, you see it goes to seed. And then wherever the wind blows that seed, I end up with more bhaji. But as much as I like bhaji, somehow I have never been able to get to cook it the way other people do when I'm buying sada and bhaji. But I have been told the method. So with the help of a friend, I'm going to try and cook bhaji in the way that you would get when you stop to get breakfast in the morning. Let's see if I succeed. So okay, I've gone and cut down some of the bhaji that I'm going to use. And now comes the rather time-consuming task of stripping the leaves off the stalk. Because it's the leaves that we're going to cook, not going to use any of the stalk in the cooking. Rather time-consuming, but you got to do it. After which, we'll chop up the leaves. I learned that was one of my mistakes that I made the last time when I attempted to make this dish. I didn't chop up the leaves, so I've learned that's something that I need to do. So after I've stripped off enough leaves, I'll go inside and start chopping up leaves and onions and garlic that I need to put in the pot as well. So not going to bore you with watching me strip leaves upon leaves. I'll turn off the camera at this point and turn it back on a little later after I finish the stripping of the leaves. Okay, so now we're on to the next part of this exercise, but I didn't do the last time when I tried to do this. I didn't realize that I need to chip up garlic and chip up onions. So, when I chip up, oops, this is not chopped for what you call the other one, Iron Chef. So I'm not of that level of expertise. All these fellas do not like that. It's a little fashion in how I chip up. So, chipping up the garlic and the onion, which I'm told I need to lightly saute in oil before I add the bhaji. So just chip up the garlic, cut up the onion. And then, so I have some friends coming over and to line and taste. Hopefully it tastes good. So I'm going to cut up everything now. And then when they come, then we start the actual cooking. Yes, man. So I bring a man who's really good at cutting up fine, much better than me. But also how clumsy I was earlier when cutting up the garlic and the onions. So I bring the chopping specialist here to chop up the bhaji. That's how you end up doing it, just fold it up.
Yeah, I fold it up. So that compress. Cutting all.
Yeah, so do all and cook all.
Yeah.
What do we eat tonight? Well, we'll be dinner tomorrow night as well.
I think Bhaji will use this.
Who's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. And just go bread basket.
Yeah.
Yeah, and order sada and bhaji. say nah. I tell him, I say, Paul, by the time I go home and come back, I ain't not I ain't even. Let me check if I I'll tell you something. I start buying the new Brampona. You know they have
The propane, the whatever, something,
Yeah.
165. I never buy it. I hate shit.
No, I could tell you, you're really getting a hotter and higher flavor. Yeah.
Well, I must buy it. I will buy it if it is faster.
Maybe. Well, look. What's that already?
Nice. But you're in business.
Right, so now it's time to add the garlic and the onion. Let that saute. So while I'm doing this, you could hear those fellas in the background outside. They go and make something for themselves and they're out on the porch relaxing. That's alright. Huh? Bhaji, you forget? You know what I should have added? A little pimento pepper and hot pepper. Although this is supposed to be pimented, this one's smelling a little hot. Meow. I don't normally use salt, but for this, I will. Yeah. Ah. Turn off and let you all see. If you like the content, please share this video. Well, it looks like the kind of bhaji I would buy when I buy an Sada and bhaji. Alright. Well, to show you what the fellas doing while I was cooking.
You talking shit.
Bhaji.
You talking shit.
No, not on my video. You're talking nonsense as usual. As usual. No. Cheers indeed. Cheers, gentlemen. Right. We will eat in a while. Let me have a drink first. Alright, I was supposed to get Sada Roti, but I couldn't find any. So we're going to do some tortillas instead.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment telling me what you liked.
Just warming it up. Alright, gentlemen. Neil. Will you come? Yeah, I call no, you come.
What is you want help?
No, I just warming them up, so.
Right. You're
No,
looking
all you
good.
could come with the plates.
Who's
there.
the all you're talking about? I got you one, I don't know about Barry.
Correct, ask by Angelo, all you come.
Angelo, you eating any bhaji?
Sorry?
All the other
Eating any
taste
bhaji?
it.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Welcome.
I'll try it. But up to yesterday I couldn't eat, but today I can eat. A fucking stone.
Barry, what about you?
You gotta try it.
You gotta try it. You know.
See, in the frying pan, it becomes nice.
Yeah.
The one you eat that one already?
Yeah, those eat already.
Cook that bhaji.
Exactly.
Yeah, Barry said you go try it.
Welcome, come
Yeah,
take
yeah.
out. Look the spoon
Come
there.
take out.
Yeah.
Look the plates there. If you need forks, they're right there.
Alright, okay. No, I go. So you have to put that full it up. Oh.
However, well, it's hot.
You eating it? I want it on a plate.
Well, look the plates there.
Yeah, you pull it up and you pull it up like a chojito. There's this Barry thing, eh? Barry like this kind of thing, eh? Next Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex. Oh, that's really good Tex-Mex. Serious?
Yeah. The closest thing to roti?
I even to get a spoon.
Yeah, I guess
Me and the
there.
daughter, the others not so much.
Yeah.
Who thought Renee?
Sarah.
Oh, I thought it's Renee. No, Sarah. Sarah.
Hey, lower down the fire because you're going to burn your frying pan. Eh?
Yeah, I only did the last one of them.
It's a man.
But you see, it's better when you do it in a frying pan.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't really eat green.
You do it green.
Yeah, what's his meat?
Taste it.
What's his
Oh,
meat?
Bob, I got to taste it, I got to taste it.
You eat green beef? You go eat green pork? That's why we eat the Trinidad. Green pork.
Yeah.
I'm on meatball. I'm on meatball.
Yeah, so
Hey, you're in a good country to live, Houston.
No, that's all good.
Tex-Mex boy. Tex-Mex. Big
See?
on that.
Nice.
Yeah.
No pepper, no?
Nah, only pimento. No hot pepper. This is good. Taco Bell, only for the Taco Bell, alright. You want a second one? Welcome. And if you come in for a second one, then it definitely tastes good. So come. Well, while I'm warming, if anybody want next one beside me, no, I say if anybody want next one beside me, you tell me now, so I'll warm it. No, I know Neil want a next one. Does anybody, the Angelo want a next one?
Okay, man, I'm ready.
All right. Only pimento, no hot pepper.
If you want to see other videos of outdoor activities in Trinidad, select one of the videos that is appearing on your screen now.